Good morning, TL Travelers, and welcome to or welcome back to the TL Travel YouTube channel. For those of you who might be new here, you may not know that we have been exploring all across Canada for the last few months. We started in Halifax, we checked out the lakes in southern Ontario, and then we road tripped from Ontario out here to Edmonton, Alberta, which is where I live right now. So if you did not see anything from the road trip series, I will link it down below and up above. Special thanks goes out to Wiley Point Lodge and Jason Oliver for hosting us out there for a little bit during our road trip. It was a fantastic time and a nice way to just like cut up the journey, relax. But I am now back home and we have one final stop that we want to share with you guys. So I am here now. I have met back up with my husband, Derek. Hi, Derek. And we are heading to Banff with Epic Experiences and Discover Banff Tours to do a tour of the Icefields Parkway. So today we are making the drive and yeah, we're just gonna bring you along with us to Banff. Finish off this series and then get on the road for some international tropical travel. So if you're not already, hit that subscribe button. Definitely do it because we post new travel content every Thursday and Sunday. And yeah, we're driving, so let's go.
Hi, Nakoda.
Hi, can I please get a egg and cheese English muffin with yeah, with the hash brown and an orange juice?
Yeah.
And then, do you want anything?
No.
And that's it. That's it.
All right, I will see you in a minute.
Okay, thank you. Thanks, you too. Oh, egg and cheese breakfast sandwich. Just outside of Calgary, and I don't know if you can see, but yeah, there's snow on the ground. It's not a lot of snow, but it's snow. I'm not digging that. I mean, I knew it was coming. We're going to the mountains. That said, though, realized that totally forgot my mittens. Derek has forgotten his mitts as well, so we're gonna need to figure that out because for the Icefields Parkway, obviously it's gonna be colder when you get like up on the glacier. Sorry about this shadow light situation as well, but yeah, when you get up on the glacier, it's usually like about 10 degrees colder even than it is whatever the temperature is in Banff at the time. So it's gonna be cold. I've got a toque, I've got a sweater, I've got a warm jacket and boots, but mitts especially because we're gonna be filming and shooting. Yeah, we definitely need to figure that out. So that's the next plan of action. The Canmore area. We're probably, I don't know, 30 minutes out from Canmore. Just driving through the mountains, some beautiful scenery. However, we did do a little bit of research, like a mild amount of research prior to leaving, and we have a bit of a map that's laid out with a few different photo spots in the Canmore area that we wouldn't mind getting some photos and videos of on our way into Banff. So that's the plan now. Is it's still bright and sunny out, so we are going to go on a little bit of a photo mission and share some beautiful mountain cinematics with all of you. So yeah, that's what we're doing. Welcome to Canmore. Wow, guys, like, it's just so beautiful out here. I swear, I know how beautiful the mountains are, but it's always like when you first get back, that like initial feeling of just like wow and wonderment. So anyways, now that I'm done gushing about Canmore, we've just stopped for some gas and then we are gonna be on our way. We're gonna go check into our hotel. Canmore really is like a great stop on the way to Banff, and also for people who, if you can't find accommodations in Banff National Park, it is sort of like, it's close enough that if you stay out here, it's like a little bit less touristy, and then you can, like, obviously if you have a car, drive into Banff, and yeah, I hope that made sense. It's been a long day of driving, it feels, like, considering the fact that I've done some huge days in road trip days past, but yeah, it's just like, it's been a long day, so let's move this along, shall we? Okay, so we have made it to Banff and we are here now, checked into our room at Banff Inn. I will show you guys around the room here in a quick little second. This room is great. It's everything that we need it to be. We're only here for a really quick stay and to tour around with Discover Banff Tours. So we have a king bed and then we also have like a little sitting area. There's a TV, then we have a mini fridge and like the whole bathroom situation. Totally standard, but everything's super clean and super nice. So yeah, totally happy with that. We even have a mountain view. There is parking at the Banff Inn as well. They have like an underground parking here, so if you're thinking about staying, that's like included in your room. You just need your room key to get in. It is like a first come first serve basis, so it can be full, but the street parking is also free as well. So if you're driving into Banff and you're staying here, it's like all is well. But that's gonna be it for me for today for this video. I hope that you guys enjoyed our little quick stop in Canmore and enjoyed the scenery of this road trip. In our next video, we're going to be meeting up with Discover Banff Tours, thanks to Epic Experiences who set this all up for us, and we're gonna be doing a tour of the Icefields Parkway. So if you wanna see that, and you're definitely gonna wanna see that, be sure to hit that like button and that subscribe button. If you are interested in more information about what you can do around Banff, I will link some Banff videos as well, because we have been here before, and yeah, those videos are great as well, so check them out. And yeah, that's gonna be pretty much it. So until I see you in our next video on the Icefields Parkway, stay great, travel safe, and yeah, we'll see you there. Bye guys.